In this video, guys, I want to talk about the old versus new Harbor Freight free multimeter. For years, you could get the Harbor Freight free multimeter as a gift, and it was the Centec multimeter. However, I believe more recently, they're selling the meter without the Centec logo. And the interesting thing, guys, is that if you take them apart, you can see that there's some interesting differences. What I'd like to suggest is that the newer one is quite cheaper and is not as quality a unit. The two major differences is that the newer one, unlike the older one, has a non-removable fuse, and more importantly, the newer one does not have the old style fine adjustment, so you can make fine adjustments to the voltage readings. So, and this is important because what I actually do with this meter is I actually take my higher end battery analyzer and I get a voltage reading, for example, 12.60 volts off my car battery, because I know it's pretty accurate. And then what I do is I hook one of these meters up to it. And for example, this one came in at 12.80 volts. And so what I was able to do is use this fine adjustment right here, just turning this screw a little bit to the right. And I was able to put it right on 12.60 volts. So I know that this is fairly accurate. I'm not saying it's like a fluke or other high-end meter. I'm just saying for a cheapy free meter, you're getting pretty accurate readings. Pretty cool. This one came in at 12.50 volts, and it is not adjustable. So there's nothing I can do about it. So my point with this video, guys, is that if you are at Harbor Freight and you have the opportunity to grab one of these Centec meters that say Centec, I would say go ahead and get one of these meters, because the newer generation of meters that do not say Centec on them, unfortunately, I don't think they're as high quality. And so I have a feeling that actually Harbor Freight in the not too distant future is going to be phasing these out altogether and going with kind of another type of free meter, and who knows what kind that will be. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share this with you. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.